Hi, I'm Alex from Stoke Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. This is a sporty and stylish Audi A1 Sportback S line Contrast Edition 35 TFSI. Powered by the fantastic 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine with an output of 150 PS and mated DS tronic automatic gearbox, it can return up to 47 miles per gallon. And it's finished in head turning upgraded pattern yellow metallic paint and has the optional Plus pack. This A1 is equipped with the contrasting black roof and the S-line roof spoiler for a sporty aesthetic. Underneath the sweeping dynamic indicators are the rear parking sensors for easier manoeuvring. The privacy glass to the rear, included in the Plus pack, complements the overall aesthetic of the vehicle. With the brilliant 18-inch 7-spoke rotor design alloy wheels enhancing the side profile of this A1. The boot greets you with a practical mountain space ideal for loading items such as a weekly shop or even luggage for a weekend getaway. The rear seats finish in the luxurious leather cloth material with the added benefit of ISOFIX anchor points coming in handy for those younger families. The driver can get to grips with the athletic flat-bottom leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel to control the progressive Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the dash is the high-resolution infotainment screen. With the driving front passenger hulled by the leather cloth material sports seats with plenty of manual adjustment to find that ideal position. Common driving functionalities are at the driver's fingertips to reduce distractions from the road ahead, with the cruise control working seamlessly alongside the S-tronic automatic gearbox. Using the virtual cockpit, the driver has access to functions such as driver assist, a selection of DAB radio stations and hands-free connectivity to take calls on the go. The driver or passengers can conveniently connect their smartphone devices using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to use compatible apps on the move, and this A1 is equipped with safety features such as Audi Presense and lane departure warning. Using Audi Drive Select, you can select from a range of driving modes such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive. You can easily stream your favourite soundtracks using Bluetooth. Moving down to the easy to use controls for the dual zone climate control included in the Plus pack, where you can adjust settings such as fan intensity and fan direction and temperature. Just below a 12-volt charging socket and 2 USB ports to keep your devices charged on the move, and here we have the more than capable automatic gear selector. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, feel free to call us on 01782 488 205 or inquire online today.